Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Ryan Kyle here, and today we're doing another street photography video. But today's special. Today's a little special. Hold on, there's a big cement truck. Okay, it's done. Okay, so today it's gonna be a little special. I brought with me Insta360. So today we're gonna do some third-person street photography, and I thought it'd be super interesting, a little bit more fun, add a little bit more energy, or make things a little bit more fun here in the street photography shots here. So I'm here with my GoPro. You can see the strap. There's the GoPro there. We'll be running around with both of these kind of attached to us. This is literally going to be sticking off my camera bag here. So we'll see how that goes, and let's get this started, right? Let's go.